Hindu Culture and Lifestyle Studies for last almost 9 to 10 months in this temple, and we have more than 40 kids who have been learning this course through our teachers. This course was introduced by Sri Vedanta Foundation. I start sharing something about event. I also would like to say that how Hindu Culture and Lifestyle Studies came out. When I was working for IndianScriptures.com, I got this idea that we have to develop a curriculum which is sort of a study material where we teach children about culture, and that is how I designed the 4 books. First book is Vedic Lifestyle, wherein we learn all the prayers and all the rituals. Second book is Inside India, where we try to know something about India, all the religious places, touristic places, historic places. Third book is Indian Scriptures, which talks about all our scriptural references. The fourth book is Indian Sciences. As you know, that we have many scientists in our ancient times, and we are trying to bring forth the knowledge of science from that time to this time. And that is how these 4 books got developed. When this got developed, I realized that not everybody can learn everything. So then I divided into 3 levels. The first level is being taught in the class. Out of 4 books, they have learned 2 books so far. The third book, they will understand the importance of all the religious aspect. And that is how the whole content was divided. The whole idea of doing this event is what they have learned in the class for the last 8 months, they will be presenting in a form of various items, as in various activities. There will be quiz, there are dramas, and there are dances. But those dances are not for entertainment. So I would like to welcome all the students who are going to participate in the quiz.
Good evening, my name is Manashwin Patel.
My name is Sanvi Vipal.
Good evening, my name is Kesha.
My name is Ishita Shah.
My name is Ruby Vasana.
Good evening, my name is Priya Patel. My name is Krishna Pandya. My name is Tulsi Praveen.
My name is Yashvi Rand. Good evening, my name is Firoz Dame.
Good evening, my name is Nandini R. Patel.
My name is Hashita Praveen.
My name is Hina Bekaria. My name is Hina Bekaria.
Can I have a round of applause for all our participants? They have really shown a very good spirit to participate in this quiz, though they have been learning a lot of things, but it is not going to be easy. So let's start with the first round with team A. Which Indian festival is celebrated in the first month of English calendar? It is also celebrated on the same day every year.
Makar Sankranti.
Yeah, it's a correct answer. Come on. Please applaud them for every answer they gave. Which animal do we worship and why?
Cow.
Yeah, but why?
Because it gives us blood. When we are born, mother gives us, and after a certain age, you can't drink from our mother.
Wonderful. Yes. Which festival will celebrate for 2 days, 9 days and 5 days? You have to give all 3 answers.
Holi, Navratri and Diwali.
Say the number of days.
Holi is celebrated for 2 days, Navratri for 9 days and Diwali for 5 days.
Wonderful. Then we pray to God. We offer something. So give me the names of 2 things which we offer. Any 2 things. Any God, no problem.
Coconut,
Yeah, and
flowers.
yes. Which cloth material is designed and very famous from Gujarat? You have to give the name of the material and the print which is famous. Yes. You have learned this in your class when we were showing different types of material. What is this? So bandhani is done on what? Which material? Also silk, yeah. Okay, I can give you the marks for this. Wonderful. So I think we have completed first round so far, and marks are...
Team A 100 points, Team B 100 points, Team C 100 points, Team D 100 points, and Team E 100 points.
We start with Team A, it's round 2. Which temple is dedicated to sun god and why? And what is the, you have to give me the meaning of the temple.
Karnataka temple.
Okay. What does that mean?
Corner means corner.
Yeah.
And dog means ark.
Yes. Okay, it's a correct answer. It is Konark temple. You have studied 5 observatories in the class. You have to give me the name of 2 observatories. Where are they situated? Yeah. Not after having given you clues. We'll give them half marks. Yeah. We have many symbols in Hindu culture, isn't it? You have to give me 3 names of those symbols. Any 3 names.
Om, Swastik and Trishul.
Correct. They know quite a lot. We have been praying every day. Yeah. When we get up in the morning, you have been told to pray or see one part of the body. Which is that part?
Hands.
Okay. You have studied Indian flags, Indian map also. Tell me what is there in the center of Indian flag. What is it called and what is there?
Ashok Chakra.
Yeah. And what is it? What is it?
It means 24 hours of the day.
Okay. This is another correct answer.
Team A 200 points, Team B 150 points, Team C 200 points, Team D 200 points, and Team E 200 points.
In the nature, we have quite a few things, yeah, which are not moving, which don't move. And there are few things which move. There are few things which we pray. So you have to give me the name of that element which we pray in the nature.
God.
Sorry?
We pray to God.
Nature is...
We pray mountain because it's like our motherland because it doesn't move.
Yeah, it is a correct answer. Because we do pray mountains and we do pray rivers. And the rivers move but mountains don't move. So yeah, you will get the marks for it, but you will not get. You have to give me 2 things you know about Kashmir, 2 places. 1 city maybe, and 1 another thing for which Kashmir is famous. The correct answer is, I told you 1 city, which is Srinagar. You could have given me the capital city, and you forgot Dal Lake. Yeah, it is famous for Dal Lake. That's why I said that any 2 places for anything. It could be saffron, it could be apple, which is very specific to Kashmir. You have to give me the names of 2 states in South India. Any 2 names. Okay, give me 1 name in South India.
Tamil Nadu.
Okay. There are many plants which we have in the house and in outside, yeah? There are 2 plants, or 1 plant which we worship. There is 1 plant which we worship. You give me the name of that plant.
Tulsi.
Correct. You have studied the map of India. You have to give me the names of two states which are sharing the border with Madhya Pradesh. As in, who are the neighbors of Madhya Pradesh? Two states.
Gujarat.
Yes.
Maharashtra.
Yes. This is correct. We are done with the third round. I would like to request Forum to share the score for the team.
Team A 200 points, Team B 200 points, Team C 300 points, Team D 300 points, and Team E 300 points.
So we have a possibility of tie. Give me the name of extreme corner of South India. There is a temple which is located there. Give me the name of the temple or the name of that place, either of it. It's over. It's Kanyakumari and the name of the temple is Rameshwaram, which is in the extreme south of India, where we have the temple called Rameshwaram. Which part of animal was used for carving and which is that animal? For the carving, we use that animal's part for other things. Which is that animal, and you have to tell me why it is used. I think I would like to throw this question to the audience. Anyone interested in giving this answer, please tell me. He'll come with the mic. We have some surprise gifts for the audience who will give the answers whenever we are asking you. So please tell me, we have been using one part of the animal. You have to give me the name of the animal and what we use for the carving. Yeah.
Elephant
Yeah, and what
and the tusk.
Yeah. You give me the name of two Indian months. Any two Indian months.
Phalgun and Shravan.
Yeah, correct. Give me the name of the city which is associated to Lord Krishna. Any city will do.
Vrindavan.
Yeah, correct. You are from Gujarat or you are from Kutch?
Kutch.
There are two famous places in Gujarat, Sasangir and Narayan Sarovar. You have to tell me what are they famous for. And kya hai?
Narayan Sarovar. Kutch, I think.
Okay, it's a correct answer. You have to give me the names of any Vishnu's avatars.
Tya. Matsya. Prahlad.
Prahlad is not the avatar. Time up. You'll get half, but we will give you half marks because Matsya is correct answer. Will not pass everything. In the eastern part of India, there is a group of states. You have to give me the number of states which are there. Total number of states which are famous as something, and at least give me one name. In the eastern side of India, I can give you one clue that you have learned one national park which is situated there in the class.
There are 8 steps and one of them
It's a wrong answer. There are 7 states which is called 7 Sisters. We have learned about Kaziranga National Park in Assam. This was part of your assignment as well, isn't it? when we pray to Shiva, we offer something. You have to give me the names of 3 things which is offered to Shiva, only to Shiva. It's a correct answer. Quite difficult one, but she understood and she has answered it quite well. Who has written Vande Mataram? Not some. Who has written Vande Mataram?
Mahatma Gandhi.
It's a difficult answer, not to worry. Let's ask the audience who has written Vande Mataram to them. Yeah, that's the correct answer. Vande Mataram is written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Give me the names of 2 Indian musical instruments. Musical instruments which were
Yantra.
no musical instrument. What we play.
Piano.
Piano is not Indian. Is piano Indian? No. Indian instrument.
Drum.
Is drum Indian instrument? Not drum. That was tabla. Anyway, your marks are gone. There is tabla, there is flute, there is shahnai, sindoor, saroj. These are these Indian instruments.
250 points. Team B 200 points. Team C 500 points. Team D 400 points. And Team E 300 points.
Give me the name of a food item. A small text of the kids to encourage them, not to scare them. They have done quite well, and we also have here winners. So I would like to request Hitesh Bhai to come on the stage, declare the winners, and we give them the gift.
Runner-up is Team D with 100 points. Team D. Team D is A, B, C, D. Team D. Congratulations, you won the runner prize this evening. Thank you. And the winner is. You want to be? No? You want to be? Guess. Team C. Okay, who is Team C? Very good. Stand up. You won the quiz for today with 500 points. Congratulations. Thank you. Quiz, that is group C, group D, who is the runner-up, and group C, the winner of the quiz. What about the prizes for the audience?